Guys, what's up? Aiming for 100 pips today. Easy money, easy money. Gonna post the YouTube link for the 100th time.
Yeah, let's just do that in the live. Let's not disturb the people, you know. Let's not disturb the people.
Okay.
All right.
Gotta post it in Telegram too.
Let me type the fucking.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna remove the scalp by first, okay? It's too much on screen.
Black by here.
You see how the live look? Right? Live look good. Right? Okay. First order. Okay. Let me put it in.
Scalp cell.
Oops.
Zero what? Hi, Cupkeep Boy. Yo, today, internet went out, lights went out, or the electricity went out. Everything was crazy, yo. So like, you know, we living a little late today.
Okay. This is our order one, guys. Order one active.
Order one active.
So SR is gonna be at 32. So right below our next zone. If this zone break, we will be selling at our limit. The first TP is gonna be 1 to 1.6 RR. Looking pretty good. Thai shit. What's up? Okay, wait, let me. Okay, this looks good. This looks good. What type of sidebar is this? Okay,
Let's see if we can catch this order. Goddamn. I've been coughing for like the past couple days, yo. I don't know what the fuck's going on. I swear it's the air, you know? When we went up north, right? What's up, Tira Trade?
What's up?
IT.
What's good? What's good? We're in first order, already in blues. I tried to live like really quick just now because I want to be in this order. Switch.
Yep. We got the order. We got everything. I hope people got the orders too. See, have you went live yet today?
Modify.
Okay, price is almost at our zone, guys. If y'all want to be greedy, y'all can enter close to 29. But this is a 200 to 300 point stop loss depending on your entry, so y'all don't gotta worry about that. Reduce your lot sizes, your order amounts. So this trade is honestly zero effect. Okay, whoever got an order right now should be in blues. I'm in blues right now. I sold.
We
At
sold
like
at the top when we
Yeah.
did the order.
28.6 ish. So
All right, team, we're transitioning.
Oops. Honestly, if it's come down to like 2.6 to 2.5, you guys can close because this is a scalping order, right? We aim to collect the profits from 1 to 1 RR. So as you can see, if you enter at 29, the SL is at 32, so it's 300 points. That means that if it comes down to 3.326 is our actual first TP. Alright, guys. Almost
at TP1, y'all.
Almost at TP1. Wait, let me fix this. So TP1 should be at 26. TP2 should be at 24, and TP3 should be at 20.5. TP4 should be at 317.2. Alright, that should be how it is. So TP1 it came
Big
down.
red candle, y'all.
Came down to
very big.
Wait, did it hit the first TP yet?
It actually did, yeah.
Let me. It must work in your carnival. Whoa. Sorry, we can wait again.
Alright, I took my first TP. Oh, here we go. Yep. TP1, guys. I took my profit.
Guys, TP1.
My TP got hit.
Now we will wait for the TP2, right? But the most important thing is to set break even, okay? So the second TP right now would be at 24 as we are waiting.
Yep. So first trade of the day, guys, on live. Already secure profits, yo. Damn, are we goated?
300 points, easy in the back, just like that. First order live, order one.
So like, if y'all want to try to find out what technique we use, right, for these orders, y'all can just hit us up on the Telegram, bottom right.
30, right? 30 pips.
Plus, if you do join the Telegram, y'all can get crazy orders like today. Yesterday, we secured about 200,
about the same, yeah.
270, about ish, yeah, 270 ish. It was actually at 300, right? But on live, we did suffer a small amount of losses, but it's okay.
So basically, in the live, in the live yesterday, we secured around 200 to 300 pips of profit in the Telegram, right? But in the live, we, yesterday was a rough day for us. We did lost around 85 pips, but in the end of the day, we still secured like around 190 to 200 ish pips of profit. Yeah. So the key is, if you want to see us live trade, you guys can watch YouTube. But if you guys want trading the whole day, you guys can join our Telegram. Just like today, we actually managed like around 9 orders of scalping, and those 9 orders is actually sniper entry. We do still have loss, right? As you can see here, round 4 and round 7 we did lose, but our SL is pretty close. Like round 4, right? We only have 10 pips sub loss, and rounds 7 we only have 40 pips sub loss. So in total of the day, right, we won like 250 to 313 pips, but minus the 50 pips loss, which is we secured like 203 pips to 263 pips. Easy.
Very easy. All right, we're about 100 points away from our TP2, guys. So y'all look out for that.
Yep.
I set my TPs, so if it does reach, it's gonna instantly close for me. So
it is bouncing off
risk right now.
It is bouncing off like the small sideways trend right here, but it looks like it wants to come down to our TP. It might suffer here around the the hidden candle of 5 minutes, which is also like the supply zone. Demand zone, I mean. The demand zone for the this sideways trend. But
Yep.
all we gotta do is wait and see.
We just gotta wait. But right now, this trade is 0 risk, guys. So y'all just let the trade play out. Y'all don't gotta worry. We set our break evens. We took our profits. We made bread, y'all. Bread is bread.
Alright, guys, we're 5 pips away from our TP2.
Yep. Very close, guys. Very close.
Yep. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Today, our goals every day is to collect 100 pips on live. But in the Telegram, we already smashed 200 pips minimum. 200 pips minimum. If anybody of y'all in the Telegram got good zone, as the price we gave, you guys will secure around 260 pips. But we already secured like minimum 200 pips for sure. As you can see on the right of the screen, this is from our Telegram TP2 smash. TP2 smash, everyone
has been hit officially, guys.
Let's patiently wait for TP3, okay? No risk right now. So first order of the day is already 50 pips, easy in the bag.
Sheesh, bro. Sheesh. Damn. I'm trailing my stop loss to the first TP, y'all. If you want to follow, please do so.
But if you don't want, it's fine. Just set break even because we already take partial profit from the first TP and the second TP. If you guys want to set break even at your entry price, it's fine. It's up to you. We do this because it's scalping orders, right? It's scalping orders. That means that we want to collect as much as profit as we can and then continue to the next setup. As you can see here, it's showing a little reaction from our demand zone we drew.
But
it's still going strong.
We are playing against it, and hopefully we'll hit TP3 about at 20-ish.
20.5 is our aim for TP3 right here. It is showing a strong reaction, but it's still fine. We already set break even, which means that we are not risking anything right now. So right now we are around 30 pips away from our third TP.
Yep.
Worried free.
It's giving a little reaction from our zone that we drew, but it's okay.
Yep.
Let's let the trade play out. If it does hit our break even, that's okay. We already took 2 take profits. That's 50 pips in the bag, y'all. That's chill.
Very easy.
If y'all trying to find the zones that we use every day, y'all can hit us up. Don't be afraid to ask questions. We're here.
We're here to.
Fact, you ask on live, we answer on live. So
yep.
Please do so.
Our aim is to let every traders be able to trade on their own.
Yes, sir. Last night I was like downloading all the videos, but like the camera is so clear. The videos are like really large files, So like a 30-minute video, I think for like 40-minute video was 8 gigabytes, bro. That's a whole ass game, bro. That's like a gazillion Stardew Valleys trying to like download, bro. Y'all, we about to drop long form content very soon, talking about how to begin trading. If y'all are beginners here, just taking signals, that's okay. You know, everybody want to side hustle a little, but like, if you don't want to just be that that dude at the bottom following people's words, right? Y'all can hit us up. We got classes. We got personal coaches that teaches you in the community. We got content that teaches you how to money manage, how to fix your mindset for this trading game. And what else we got? Signals. And what else we got every day? Profits, guys. Look, yesterday 270 pips. Even though we lost in the live, right?
Overall, it's still a build.
Like hella, bro. Yesterday, today, 200 to 263 pips. Imagine, first trade of the day we won. Oh,
Already half of our goals right now.
yeah, bro. Our goal is 100 pips a day. By the way, we're already halfway there.
But in the Telegram, oh my god. Look, it took us 3 orders only, and it's scalping. 3 orders scalping to smash the daily goals. That's how easy it is, guys. You know, with the right knowledge and with the right mindset, that's how easy it is to win the market.
Literally, bro.
Like, bro, I'm gonna be for real. Like, before we meet this community, right? We were like blindly, you know, blind leading the blind type shit, bro. Like, but after we learn this course, like, it's the end. It's the end of the path. Like, literally, we only need this. You know,
made it.
If only we knew it. If only we met this before,
Like,
we blew like thousands of dollars, bro.
Accounts, bro.
Yeah. Alright, guys,
So
it's
much money down the drain, guys.
it's almost at our TP3. Bam! TP3 smash. Let's move to the last TP is at 17.2, guys. 17.2.
Oh,
bro, it's
how
like
much dollars profit is that? Sheesh,
literally, bro.
Fuck.
Look, TP3 hit
we just-
another 350 points, bro. Keep in mind, this is a scalping orders, guys.
Mind you, guys, we have a 200 point SL.
Yeah,
What?
220 pips SL for 85 pips. Holy, bro. I don't know, man. I don't know. And it's still dropping down, bro. From our zone. How goated are we?
No, man.
And if it come down to 17, that's our buy limit, by the way. That's our buy limit. So we are entering after it tap our buy limit zone.
Yeah. We're entering immediately, by the way, guys. We don't want to be greedy, right? If it is a little bit of drawdown, if you guys are scared, y'all can split your orders into layers, right?
Right now, it's fighting the last
This last demand zone here.
last demand zone of the sideway. So let's see how it reacts. It is
If it breaks through, we are guaranteed an order down here. So
it is showing a strong reaction, but you know, patience is the keys. Patience is the keys.
Alright, don't worry about the buy volume. We set our break evens. We took our profits. Literally, chill, yo.
Secured, bro. Secured in the back. Literally. No risk, bro.
No risk, no Ferrari, guys.
Hey, but we no risk.
Tell your parents.
But in our community, right? No risk and Ferrari, bro.
Yeah, no risk and Ferrari. Maybe a little bit of risk, you know. Everybody gotta know that, you know, the trading game is a little habit risk.
So right now, right? In every time frame, from 1 minute to 1 hour, it's showing you know, so oversold. So it might not reach 17, but we are hoping, you know, it reaches the 17 just because that's our daily buy zone, and you know, it might bounce off that. So let's see how the graph reacts. But
Let's see.
you know, it's according to plan, and we already back. We almost, bro. If it hits 17, boom, we literally can go down live right now because we already hit our daily profits.
Yeah. Y'all, we live for a long time every day just so that we can have you guys here sit with us, right, and join the community. We're trying to expand the community to find, you know, struggling traders, right? Like ourselves at first. We were struggling traders until we found this Gabber, you should screenshot that and put in that the Discord, you know. But yeah, anyways, we were struggling traders at the start of our journey, you know, of course, right? Tripping balls over when our account was in drawdown, right? We're actually going absolutely bonkers, you know. Gold loves to drag if you don't SL, if you don't set your SLs, you know. Like, if it has a day where gold is just moving hella sus, right? It's not listening to news, it's not listening to analysis, it's not listening to nothing. It's just gonna move depending on what the fuck's happening in the world, right? And if you don't set your SL, it's just gonna drag your fucking account to the dumps, bro. That's basically what happened to us. We'd have an account deposit, it'd be in a signal, right? Telegram. We'd follow every single signal. At first, we'd be like in profits a little bit here and there. We'd be like, damn, holy shit, trading's so easy, right? And then one day we forget we're in drawdown. We can't accept the fact that we're gonna SL, right? That we're gonna take the stop loss.
Like, you know, all it takes to win this market is your patience, is your discipline, is your knowledge and your mindset, guys. Literally,
bro. Just be patient, follow the plan, and it's so chill, bro.
You know, in our community, right, we have like almost 20 coach living from morning to morning of another day, you know, to morning of the next day. And all the coaches, you know, have the same knowledge, right? But each course on their life, their aim is 100 pips, right? And imagine 20 coaches of having the goal of 100 pips. That's 2,000 pips. And 2,000 pips a day? No way. Just imagine. And every coaches took the same trading course. And that's why we're trying to share it to you guys, you know? Like, we don't want like a random, you know, small trading course here and then when you learn, it doesn't work. And then you need to find another trading course, and another trading course. Our trading course is from 0 to 100, you know. It's from nothing. You know, we literally teaches you how to use MetaTrader 5.
Yeah, literally, bro. We teach you what a candlestick is, bro. So if you guys can skip it if you want, but like, if you guys are actually from 0, our course is perfect for you guys, you know. Me and homie here, we were from 0. We didn't know what the fuck we were doing. We were just clicking buy and sell, bro. We knew what a stop loss is. Maybe a candlestick here and there. Maybe we heard what a fair value gap here is. But like, that's it.
But that's like literally just the simple thing you can find on YouTube, you know. But what we know, what's in the trading course is much more than that, you know. It teaches you how to, you know, how to find daily zones, how to find scalping orders from 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. It helps you to find the main zone in 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. Teaches you how to trade run trend. Teaches you how to trade currency. Teaches you how to trade Bitcoin, all the cryptocurrency bullshit. You know, we teach you everything. And if you like, hey, but how do I know if it's profitable? Hey, we're not forcing you to, you know, join our trading course. Join our community and Telegram first to find out how goated we are, you know. Because
just test the waters a little bit.
Yeah, because we don't want to, you know, force you and say like our only product is a trading course and you can only trade with us if you have trading course. No, you can literally join our community and get the indicator we use every day for free.
But if one day you wake up, you'll be like, damn, I don't want to be the, you know, bottom of the, you know, leaderboard all the time, just following people. Hit us up, yo. Look, we hit her up and we're in this spot now, y'all.
Literally.
Hit us up, y'all. Okay, I'm screenshotting the profits and putting it in the Discord, low key.
Already.
No, I mean like, I know I meant the order, like in history.
No, don't do that.
Oh yeah, right. We can't. Forgot. We're not allowed to do that.
Right now we're waiting if the strong reaction will make it bounce back or not. If it bounced back, we already set break even, and we will try to find the next order in the next zone. So right now, the most beautiful thing that could happen right now is it to reach our TP4 and then catches us in the buy limit down here which the buy limit is from our DZV indicator. It's the indicator that has 70% win rate, 70% win rate indicator, and each TP is like 600 point, 800 point, 1000 point, 2000 points.
So chill, bro. If y'all don't got time to trade, hit us up, yo. We give you this indicator.
Like, we want you
and
to,
y'all just gonna make free profits.
Yeah. We want you to be able to do anything by your own, Like, oh, if you have time all day, join our community to get signals, daily analysis, notification of session opening, daily news analysis, daily gold analysis, signals from Bitcoin, currencies, gold, everything. And you can even chat with other traders in the community. You know what I feel like I value the most in our community is the ability to actually share your day with other traders in the community. See what's their perspective, see what zone are they waiting for, see how patient they are, and see how much profit they get. It just motivates you to be like them,
Yeah.
And then if you be like, but I don't have time every day. I don't have time all day long. I just want to trade, like, set pending limit, and just close the graph. If you want to do that, we also have the solution for you, which is our indicator. Our indicator shows the daily zones update every day, by the way. So it updates every day when the market starts, right? Every day. You can literally just put your pending limit and just close the graph for the whole day.
So chill.
And then if you be like, but then I don't want to use indicator and I don't want to be in the community. I just want to know how to trade. Like, I just want to earn, like you guys. We have trading course for you.
Trading course, yo. Like, whatever you guys want, tell us. We will deliver, yo. We will deliver it to you on a silver platter, yo. You just gotta come and ask. It's up to you.
Oh, and let me spoil a bit, okay? If you want to be like us, you can too.
You can.
How we started,
we ain't saying too much,
how we started, it's like you. How we started, it's like you. Watching coaches live, watching daily signals live, and now we are here.
Yeah. We were in the position of you guys, where we were just sitting here watching, getting the signals. And then one day we took the opportunity, and here we are.
Just like they said,
to present to you every day.
Yeah, opportunity is just like money that is in the air, It's just up to you if you want to catch it or not.
Yeah, literally. Yo, Gavin, go look at the photo stock.
Photo stock?
Stock.
Yeah,
I'm allowed to put this. Yeah, we're not allowed to put the actual order, like, lot sizes and shit, right?
Where do you want to put it?
In the Discord.
Oh, like the Thai Discord?
Yeah, just to get people to, like, be like, oh shit, he actually took that trade, no way.
Yeah, I can put it for you.
I mean, since we're like a duo, should we both do it? I don't know.
Yeah, sure.
I'd be like, TP3. Ding 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 ding.
Like, I'm gonna be honest, like, once a year ago, right, when I started trading with Amir. So my name is Guyver, by the way, everyone. I'm 19 years old. I'm studying in computer engineer, and Amir down there, down there is
Amir,
studying in
19 years old
July.
as well.
Yeah, 19 years old as well. Studying in July. EBA. Is it EBA or economics?
Yeah, economics.
Yeah, so it's EBA, right?
Yeah, economics, whatever you
Yeah.
want to call.
So it's EBA, right? You know, and a year ago, right? We started trading because we found the signals, you know, Telegram signals channel, and then we'd be like, hey, maybe we just follow the signals and then bam, easy profits, free money.
Free money.
But that's not how it works. At first, we got profit. We doubled our account even in the first day, and no one told us to stop. You know, no one told us to stop. We keep second day. We started the day with stop loss, and then another stop loss, and we'd be like, damn, the only way to bring our account back is to all in. And we start over trading. We lost the account. We got the new account. Start over trading to get the first account back. Got the third account. Start over trading to get the first and the second account back. Got our fourth account, you know, and it's just going on and going on and going on.
Like every time we get our allowance, it'd be in trading, and our parents would be like, "Where the fuck your money go?"
Exactly.
Actually,
and,
no, we'd actually just hide it from our parents, you know.
Yeah, and like literally, like we're trying to fix that, you know, from everyone, because
especially if you're a young trader like us, like.
Oh, not even young traders, but any traders that started the trading journey wrong. We're trying to fix that, you know.
Let's fix it together, yo, as a community. The Ninja Map community through FX Side Quest Live.
Because we're not leaving anyone behind, right?
No, sir. Why would we? Oh, let's get some water, bro. Hey, let's get out the serious talk, bro. Let's get a little more jiggy with it.
So right now, right? Right now, if it comes up, right? So this was our demand zone, right? But it will become our throwback zone. So if it come back up, there might be a volume that will kick this one back. But yeah, so right now, right? If it comes up, we're not scalping sell over here anymore, right? We will wait for the order here.
Yeah. I feel like it's too much risk. We don't know what's going on right now.
So this is the kind of the main order, but the SL is, you know, around the trend line, because that's basically our strong supply zone. Our buy limit does have many reasons supporting the zone. That's why we choose to put our buy limit there.
Yeah,
we're not we're not bullshitting our orders, but we're, you know, giving our orders, with the thing in here, you know, our brain, our knowledge, everything learned from the trading course.
Our buy zone has a fairly good chance that it will win, but remember, guys,
nothing is 100%.
100%.
Like me and Amir is just a 19 years old dude, you know, like we don't even know each other, bro. You and me, we are strangers. But hey,
yeah, we're trying to give you transparency in the Telegram. We screenshot everything for you guys to see.
Exactly.
Take the orders that we give, so y'all don't gotta worry about that.
Exactly.
Some days we might not be able to trade. We tell you guys, right? Because, you know, as a trader, you have to reset your mental, guys. Days off is the most important thing about trading. Saturday, Sunday, do not overtrade the fact that other people are living for Bitcoin, right? The crypto market, that's a very dangerous market if you don't have experience. So I suggest you guys stay in the Forex market for a bit and then hop into the Bitcoin.
Like, I just feel like, you know, when trading, right, you should have strategy to enter orders. You should have strategy to money manage your account. You should have strategy to diversify your trades. Everything, you know, everything is a strategy, because this Forex trading, it's basically a stock, right? You know, you're basically trading stocks, and you know, you can't be aiming to double your account in like a week. You know, that does not happen. That's not the right mindset to begin your journey in this, you know, market. Instead, why not aim for 1,000 points every day, 100 pips every day, and then let's just say 100 pips is equal to 5% of your account. In a month, you might be able to, double your account.
Yeah,
You see where I'm going?
and then you walk out. That's it.
Exactly.
You take your profits and leave. Because if you keep trading, the market is gonna yoink your fucking profits back, just like that.
Yeah, like you can see that I gave like 9 orders in the Telegram, but it's not for you to take it all. You only take it until you meet your daily goals. Right?
Literally.
After you hit your daily goals, stop. Walk away. Close the graph, live your life. Rest,
Live
take
your
a
life,
rest,
bro.
and then get ready for the next day.
I think the most important thing about trading is that people spend too much time on the graph. Look, it's a good thing, right? A lot of people out there tell you guys, oh, backtest 6 hours a day, right? Make sure you guys all be on the graph 6 hours a day. Build a relationship with the graph. Learn its price action and shit like that, right? Y'all don't forget to live your life as well, bro. You will have burnout. It burns you out fast,
The reason why you want to trade forex as your job is because 9 to 5 job is very tired.
Yeah.
And you only want to work the minimum hours daily.
It's not even about the money. It's about freedom. Imagine pressing 2 buttons 2 hours a day and you make your weekly salary and you can just live life.
Literally. But
anywhere in the world.
But that only comes if you have the right money management.
Yeah. Right mindset, right money management. Because if you do over leverage, right, one day could cancel out a lot of your other day's profits too, So
exactly.
You want to switch that around where one day could cancel out 3 to 4 days of your stop losses, right? So I remember when me and bro blew our $1,500 account each. So that's a combined of $3,000, right?
That's before we we learned the trading course, by the way.
Yeah, this was about
like a year ago. Yeah, like almost a year ago. Right? Yeah,
almost a year. It's a solid 6-7 months now. 6-7.
Okay, bro.
Okay, bro. We blew $3,000 combined, right? We took a break from trading entirely, right? Because we were so drained, Imagine sitting on 5 different Telegrams account, right? And just taking every single order we can, right? And then one day, gold decides to, do its thing, and then we're like, nah, it's gonna retrace, guys. Don't worry, right? So we take out our SL, boom, account's gone. So we took a break from trading, and here we are, guys. Mentality resetted, ready to hop back on the graphs. Better strategy, better mindset. Heartwarming community around us. It's literally so chill, y'all. Life is good, you know what I mean?
Like, how in the community, right? I just feel like trading in a like how if you're only in Telegram groups, right? You can't really talk to anyone. You just take the signals and then walk away. If it's L, they might say sorry and they just move on with your life. But if it's in the community, you can literally ask us, in the community, hey, why are you entering this trade?
Why you enter?
Yeah. What is the reason behind it? What is the reason behind it? And other people in the communities will help you remind, to withdraw, to end the day if it reaches your daily profit goals already.
Yeah.
Like, I just feel like
y'all still curious.
Yeah.
They will all just help you. We help each other, Telegram is one-sided, right? In the Discord community, it's all of us,
But if you don't trust us, you can join the free Telegram group. On the bottom right, just scan the QR code and join. We live trade. We basically share our live signals every day, which is from the morning to afternoon. Basically from Asia session open until like 1 hour before the New York session open.
Literally.
And then when the New York session open, bam, we're on live.
Dude. New York session is like the best session to fucking trade in, bro. Low key.
You just need one good trade from New York session,
Yeah, one good move from New York, a sniper entry at the end, right? Just like the scalping order. Literally, bro. We milked how many profits? How much is that? What?
850 points.
50 points. Oh, 85 pips.
Yep.
Literally, bro. Like you can that 15 pips for the 100 pip goal does not even matter anymore, bro.
Don't get greedy, right? Because
yeah,
if you're near your trading goals already, okay, imagine this, okay? First trade of the day, bam, 85 pips. That only took you like what? Let's actually count 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. 30 minutes, you can already walk away. 30 minutes.
30 minutes. And what did you do? You looked at the graph, you drew 2 zones, you pressed one button, maybe set a TP SL, and that's it.
Exactly. And just walk away. Because if you keep trading, let's say the second order is SL negative 400 points. Bam, you're back to 45 pips. You gotta start everything over again. Why do that when you can just walk away with one trade? Okay guys, but by walking away does not mean you should click off our live.
Maybe stay a little bit.
maybe stay a little bit.
We want to talk to you guys too, we get lonely, we get lonely.
I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put the blame on me.
I remember when that song was like hella hit on the radio on the way to school, right? You just hear that shit 24/7, bro. It actually made me tweak the fuck out, bro.
We got like big projects coming on our way, right? Like we're so ready to share it to you guys, but
yeah, we're so ready in this 3-month roadmap. Oh my god, y'all,
because
we might have 228 subscribers now, right? But oh my god, I am so fucking ready.
Because hear me out, right? We are basically the first 2 coaches in our community that is pushing the community to global. Because personally, I feel like our community in Thailand is already a successful community because we are basically like the most we have the most deposit amount of money in our community, in the Connects broker. We got that price like 2 years in a row, and this is monthly, by the way. Monthly awarded 2 years in a row. That's almost 24 months in a row, bro. That we got the most withdrawal amount of money every month. Just think about it.
Of our community, by the way.
Just think how much withdrawal money is that.
Think, brother, think.
And like me being in the community, I already know like how good are the things that we offer to you guys is, right? That's why I personally want to push it to global, because I've been one of you guys who just be in like 5 community trading every signal is given to me, and that shit is not it, bro. Being in this community, like boom, look, one order, 85 pips, walk away. It's just that simple,
That simple, yo. One simple strategy and your mindset conquered will make you win this markets, yo.
I personally want to see, people that follow me, people that trust me, win the market with me.
Yeah, bro, that shit fulfilling, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like you know how like these other Telegram signals, right? Be like, yo, let's sell right now. Move SL over here. They be moving the SL by 1,000 fucking points, bro.
That's bullshit, bro.
1,000.
That's bullshit,
100
bro.
pips. What the fuck? It's a 4-to-1 RR basically, bro. And then they're like spamming the fucking Telegram when they hit a 20 pip fucking TP, bro. What? What?
If it doesn't come down to 20, right here. Alright guys, 5 viewers in the chat, listen to me, okay? If it doesn't come down to 20 right here and it bumps up to around 26 to 29, you guys can re-enter, okay? If you guys don't have order. But if it comes down straight to 20, don't enter anymore, because this is it's building like a downtrend in 5 minutes already. You know, as you can see,
Yeah,
there's
we're
a long
retesting a little,
downtrend
shiny
here
trades, yeah.
and a little downtrend here. So you guys can re-enter if you want. The SL should be like only 400 points away, because if you enter at 26, the first TP will be at 22 and your SL should be at 30, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But if you don't want to, you know, a high risk, you can wait up here at our entry point to at 29, and then the SL can be at like 30, 31.5, you know, 31.5, 32.
Yeah.
It's only 300 points 300 points stop loss. But you know, our final TP is still down here, right, at 17. You guys can take 1-1 RR for your first TP, you know, 1-2 RR for your second TP, and then down here at 17, 17 for your final TP, because that's what we're waiting for our final TP too. Because if it comes down to 17 right here, it's gonna bounce up by our DZV zone, you know, our indicator, and plus the 4-hour hidden candle and the other block that it created. That's why we're looking to buy right here. Alright.
Yes, sir.
Sorry for raping.
So let's test sell here, right? Because we're expecting the graph to come down a little bit and catches at our, you know, indicator zone. So
let me draw it for you actually. So if you want to re-enter, right, you guys can look at around 25. So right here, and then the SL. Okay, wait, maybe at 26. So 26, and then the SL can be at 30. Wait, 31. 31.5. So if you okay, wait, let me actually give like a good RR, right? Maybe at 27. If it come up to 27, right, the SL only like 400 points. So at 31, and then the TP can be down here. So the first TP can be 1-1 RR, right? So at 22, and the second TP should be down here at 17. So the same, you know, same TP. Let's see if it come catch us. If it come catches this order, right, I will be selling with you guys too. With the, you know, with the other one that we already backed. Just, you know, just keeping it transparent, you guys, right? But if it doesn't come catch us, don't worry. You know, don't use your temper and then enter midway. You don't want to enter midway, because why? If you enter midway, let's say if you enter sell at 23, your SL should be at 31. That's 800 points stop loss. And your TP is only at 17. Like, you know, that doesn't make sense, you know. If you do that, you know, it's not clocking to you, you know.
it's not clocking to you.
You know, if you miss this trade, it's fine, because we're waiting for our main zone right here. I'm only human after all.
Alright, y'all. If y'all heard what we said, we are scalp selling yet again, waiting for our buy limit at the bottom, basically. Yesterday we were at like 15-20 viewers. Yo, what happened to today? Is everybody like, I feel like everybody's like gone today, huh? Even Coach Liu has like a little less viewers today. Our usual viewers aren't here today, you know, so
it's fine, because the only thing that matters is that we deliver the TPs, you know.
real.
Bro, today went to play volleyball in the morning. Right?
How's it?
It was okay. It was fun. Wait, hold on. Let me change my microphone real quick. Hello?
Oh my
Am I
god.
louder?
It is very loud.
How about now? Hello?
It's too loud. Wait, let me change. Don't worry.
Let's reduce my volume a little bit.
I mean, can you look in live? I think you should be the one who look
Yeah,
in
I'm
live.
looking.
Like if whose voice is like too low, whose voice is too loud.
Oh, I'm louder than you by a little bit. You know, you should reduce my sound by a little bit.
Right. Is it okay now?
Hold on one sec. You got a little delay. Yeah, it's good now.
Okay.
Mind you guys, order one, we're still active, by the way. It hasn't hit our break even unless you guys trailed your stop. So if the second sell limit that we have, or sell scalping, or that we
We're not
talked about
entering
earlier,
now. We're not
we're not
entering anymore.
entering. Yeah.
Okay, guys.
So if it tapped our buy limit, we are buying instead of the sell. We're not
only
entering anymore.
only around 30 pips away from our final TP, and also before our main buy zone. Get ready.
Yes, sir. Play volleyball. Met some new people today, bro. Okay guys, the volume is here, y'all.
Guys,
Damn.
TP4 buy active.
TP4 has been hit, guys. Buy zone is active, guys. Enter right now.
Our first
Guys,
TP
we got a
is
really good price, yo. Our zone was at 17. We're getting a price at 15, yo. Sexy.
What price did we get? 15?
15.2 or 15.4. I got one at 16, two at 16, and one at 15.4.
I'll put it at 16 then. And buy active. Buy active. 16. Okay, wait, let me put this. So it's another 330 points. 330 points. That's 118.
Let me put the order in, guys. 1 second, let me focus. Cause like, I gotta type a whole lot of fucking weird shit. Remember, guys, set your stop loss 309. 309, guys.
Okay, instant blue.
309. It's instant. We're in profits from our lowest layer. My lowest layer is at 15.2, everybody. So 3.
If anyone got at 17, you know, you guys should be blue too. I should be in blues too.
Volume is kicking in, y'all. So all right, I'm currently in like a little bit reds and blues. Half of my orders are in blues, the other half is in reds, but we're chill. Remember, guys, y'all see the fucking red and blue, right? Y'all don't panic. Just let the trade play out. Right now, TP and SL is 1-to-1 RR. Everybody.
Our SL is actually at 2307 from the zone. But yeah, so the first TP is still at 1-to-1 RR. So first TP is at 25.
My mama called, bro. She was like, "You got home already?" I got home like 2 hours ago, bro. What the hell? What the hell? All right, second order of the day. Let's see if we can get this bag, yo. 1 hour in, we only got one order, but that's okay, y'all.
It's 2 order, bro.
Oh yes, 2 orders. Sorry.
This boy is tripping.
Yeah, my fault. Today's been a long day, bro. Tomorrow is also gonna be a long day, bro. 6 hours of accounting class. Midterm or final exam on the 17th. Are you off Thursday, Friday, Gabber? Right? It's the holiday, public holiday.
Only Thursday because Friday I got class.
Only Thursday. Does your school not have the public holiday, bro? They don't like holidays for the students or something, bro? Yo, that's why they opened that psychiatry fucking thingamabobber, bro, low key. Cause these guys, they don't give their fucking students break, bro. I'm gonna check the RSI, see if it's divergent. Right now it's neutral, so I don't know. But we are oversold on the 5 minute, 1 minute. Almost oversold on the 15. Neutral on the 30. Oh, very oversold on the 1 hour. So I'm fairly confident on this trade, y'all.
That's the what Emmy just shared right now is the store settings that we use in from our trading course. But if you're using like a neutral store, from 1 minute to 1 hour is all oversold right now.
Yeah, our settings are shared also on our Fibonacci settings. That has been back tested for 2 years straight with a 70% win rate. So y'all just take advantage of this community, y'all. Like, we're setting you up for success, y'all. We're from a Thai community that has combined subscribers of about 100,000, 150,000. With currently about 2,000 active members in the Discord, and almost half of them are students, about 800. And They're all live, active on the trading chats, just sharing their analysis, right? And there's always fucking TPs every day, y'all.
Right now, I'm in blues in every of my position.
Yo, people in the look at the trading chat, yo. This is so wholesome. Look, alert from Coach Guyver and Amir at this price, and SL how much I did not see in time. And then there's like other people answering for
like,
him, bro.
People in our
That's so
community
nice,
is really wholesome, you know, so you guys can join.
That's cute. That's very nice. All of our coaches are in the same buy zone, everybody. Let's wait. Dude, there's like other FX channels living. No camera, no microphone. There's just people arguing in the chat.
Yeah.
But that's like the only time they can talk to each other is when he's live, you know? But like in our Discord, people are talking every single day, you know? So it's like, yeah. You don't gotta wait for bro to live.
So, this zone is from our DZV buy zone, right? But if it comes down a little to the 3312, so basically at the end of the price zone that we got, it's actually our it's actually like
Our
another
very nice support.
Yeah.
So this trade has many reasons to win.
Yeah.
And if it does fail, that's okay, guys, because it's all according to plan.
If it does fail, we we already secured 1,180 points. So we can tank a bit, is fine. And we in our Telegram we also got like 2,600 points today. So
Yeah,
it's fine. We don't have 100% win rate. We do lose some, win some, but somehow we do win. It's just that we win more than we lose.
If you guys win 10%, 15% more than you lose, the market is yours, y'all. Also, the fact that we're tapping our DZV zone and a 4-hour order block. We have filled all the imbalances that was created from last night's crazy ass up move, right? So, this crazy down move is also a big ass, reason that we can enter on buys here. We are in a downtrend on the big 4-hour, but we're hoping that we can get a little bit of a up move here and milk some profits.
When it comes up, if the volume is a bit iffy, we can take our first profit at 500 points and instead break even.
Yeah, because our first profit is about very far away, 900 points. But this is a big main zone, so of course our take profit one is going to be quite far. Yeah. We closed a couple of red candlesticks, but it's all like, you know, with a little bit of a buy resistance.
It's still oversold right now in the
It's still oversold, yeah.
in every time frame until 4
So
hour.
y'all don't gotta
okay.
worry. According to plan, we have about 4 or 5 reasons why we're entering buy here. If y'all, you know, are still wondering, you guys can still ask. Of course, just type in the chat. Don't be afraid to ask. You know, the chat's there for a reason, right, guys? However, you should tell them that, you know, เดี๋ยวตกรถนะถ้ายุ่มยิ้ม like us. We missed like a gazillion points of TP because we fucking, you know.
We're trying to find
Yeah.
like the best zone to enter. Bam, 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 bam. Ba-da-dum, bums. Ba-da-dum, bums. Ba-dum, bums. Ba-dum, bums.
What happened to the coach Petch, bro?
His mother is in hospital right now.
Oh shit. Hey, I'm giving prayers to him, bro. Low key. That first it happened with fucking Coach Ball. Damn.
If it shows like the volume.
What they type?
กลัวตกรถเข้าแต่หัวแถวเลยครับ
Yep. Yeah, yum yum.
If you guys don't have any order, you guys can enter now. It's basically at the end of our zone right now.
Yep. Okay, guys, we have tapped into our 4-hour order block and we're at the end of the zone. So if this setup fails, guys, we are going to just focus on selling in this market because today's volume is quite unusual.
Because right now we're basically at so basically the graph for today is actually downtrend, but you know we're finding like a sniper entry because this is actually like the daily main zone that have been holding for like many days. That's why we choose to enter. But if it shows a big volume of coming down, you guys, if it comes up to our entry at 3316, we can clear blue for the 3316 and then hold the lowest layer, which is 3312, and then set break even. That's basically how you risk manage when the volume is very iffy like this.
Yes, sir. Volume is quite iffy today, so don't worry though, guys. We will find a way out. With experience in the market, you will find your own way out.
It tapped our our order block and did come up like at 300 points. So we will see how this trades play. If this trades play, don't get angry. We still have 2 hours to go. Finding more setup for you guys in the live.
Yes, sir. Oh, I need to get my charger, bro. Fuck, I'll be back. Hello?
Hmm?
Alright, just checking. I'm back.
So it's tapping the end of the zone where we drill, which is the 4-hour candle and the order block. If it does respect our zone, it will bounce back up, with the same volume it drag our zone
Yeah,
down.
low key.
But
It does respect our zone.
if not, that means it's another day of gold, and we will just wait for the next setup, recovery trade.
Another day of gold doing something, but we are in slight bit of drawdown right now, guys.
Basically, if it
Whoever does not have an order can honestly enter right now, y'all.
the
Because right
SL
now the
will be
stop
really
loss,
short, 300
yeah,
points
really
for
short
you.
stop loss.
If it doesn't respect this zone, right, we will wait to sell.
Up.
The scalp buy will be here. The scalp buy will be here, and then the next buy zone will be down here at the end of the trend line. But if it does respect our zone, it will comes up and catch us in our sell zone right here, which is the sell limit we put.
Yeah.
But right now the sell volume is it's dropping down a lot. Let's see how it does. If not, then it will just break through. Another day of gold doing them things. Hey, but whoever hold our sell order should be in 2,000 points profit right now.
Yeah, we closed at TP4 already, so
Yeah, we didn't expect it to come down like this, because it's as I said, this zone is pretty much like a very strong zone.
Yeah.
But yeah, whoever trade gold should know that gold is really volatile, and it basically just want to tell that, like, it will basically tell you it's either going down pretty fast or going up pretty fast.
Yeah.
That's
so,
that's basically how gold plays out.
Yep, we have our SL, we have our TP, y'all, so don't worry. Okay, we have a strong reaction off this bottom of the zone here, so let's see if it can keep going upwards.
If it comes down to hit our SL, that's basically the reason why we have SL, to risk manage our account. Because we never know, right? If it goes down, if it goes down straight to like 3.2, 3.290 or some
all-time low,
yeah.
guys.
Okay,
all-time low. If that even exists, guys, all-time low. What?
We basically never know, like, how how each trade will play. But we're going off our strategy that we backtest. So yeah. It is still showing like a strong sell volume.
Yeah, this volume is actually quite insane today, y'all.
Yeah.
Yesterday, this is the same shit that happened yesterday too, where...
Oh, there you
okay,
go.
guys, we have officially hit SL. That's negative for us.
Ooh. Let me find the the red emoji for my SL. So it's 900 points. Let me change here. Stop by. Like 96. So we're back to cute 28 pips. If we somehow get liquidated, it's fine. We will be looking for sell up here again. So basically at our same zone. Just don't panic, guys. This is basically the reason why we have our SL, right? Yeah, that's basically the reason why we have SL, because we gotta have like our backup plan when it doesn't react like we want it to.
Damn, I think.
As you can see, even though it looks like we're getting liquidated, it comes up only 20 pips, and then bam, back down again. The sell volume is pretty much insane right now.
Yeah, we might have been part of a little bit of manipulation, but we will hold on. Let's analyze the graph a little bit more and see what we can do next. Because if this just breaks, if this changes character and goes back up to an uptrend, right? We can look for a scalp buys until we get that main order sell up there. But if this just continues down, right, we're gonna find a sell orders close to our price right now. So we gotta see. We just gotta wait right now.
Let's what we can do is just wait and see.
Yeah, what we can do right now is just wait.
Okay. I think I know now why the thing happened. Basically what happened is I think there's an off schedule new. That's why the price is going down.
I think that's why the sell volume is a little insane. We weren't focusing here. Oopsies.
Right now, if the 5-minute candle comes up to catch us, we will look for a follow sell at 3309.
Yeah, we will try to follow sell here. With a very short stop loss at like maybe 11. Or maybe 12.5 at the previous liquidity, right? So not yet. Chill. A new resistance zone has just been created. Let's see if we can take advantage of what's happening right now. Guys, remember, what we learned in the course is that we always trade with the big boys, with the banks, with the big hefty moolah. We trade with them, not against them, okay, guys? Yeah, we gotta be smart. I think today's short form content, Gabber, I'm gonna take clips on our live that we were talking about how our community is coded.
Okay.
Gabber, I'm allowed to screen record our Discord community too, right? Just like for a short bit.
I'm not sure.
Like while you're like advertising it, because I saw Coach Liu was opening on live, like Discord. So I think I'm allowed to do that, right? And then post it on TikTok. I'd be like, yeah, you were talking how like our community is good, and I'll show them proof that we have active members. Why the fuck are you so big, Gabber?
Back to being small. If it doesn't come catch us and goes down to around 33
2.
Yeah, 2302. We will look for a scalp buy.
Yeah, it's not even a scalp buy, yo. That is like a
It
whole
is
main
a
order
yeah,
buy right there.
it is another main
Because that's
order.
a big 4-hour supply, 1-hour HC. So like, let's see. We got both orders coming in, guys. So don't worry. We just gotta be patient and wait. Stay tuned, y'all. Whoever's in the live right now, if y'all don't mind, click that like button. If you guys want to join the Telegram, guys, take early orders. If you guys don't have the time to come sit down and watch us on live, join the Telegram. Wait for the signals. Give you guys signals all day. Hit that subscribe button. As a matter of fact, you don't even have to hit it today. Join the Telegram today. Win a couple trades tomorrow, and come back on our live and watch it. Hit that subscribe button. It's free. Everything is free, yo. Everything is free, y'all. Y'all just gotta do a couple clicks. Maybe move your buy a little bit. You know, scan the QR code on your phone. You know, a couple clicks here and there, make some profits, and that's it. It's free. Soon when we get the right camera equipment and like camera crew maybe, and like learn how to edit YouTube videos like a pro and like film it. We're gonna film good lifestyle videos for you guys and like long form content. We're gonna be the Thailand TJR, you know, guys. You guys know TJR?
It's like 150 points away from our follow sale order, so you guys can wait.
Yeah. All right, focus on the graph, y'all. We're about almost ready to follow this selling volume. We're gonna take advantage of this crazy down move.
Almost an hour sale or follow sale.
We're at 8, right? Okay, we're about 10 pips away, guys. Be patient, be patient. Patience. Okay, we're moving up. There's a little bit of little retracement right now. SO is very short, guys. About 400 points or 40 pips ish. Let's see, y'all. Let's see.
You know,
we're trying to sell right now, following the sell volume and coming down to our main zone for the demand and 1 hour, 4 hour and 1 hour demand zones. Sorry, not demands. No, demand. Yeah. The support. Okay, guys. If whoever was a little bit greedy and entered early, about 2-3 pips away from our zone, you guys should be in profits and on your way to TP1 right now.
But if not, then you know you guys can wait with us.
Yeah, you guys can wait. Right now, volume is kind of insane right now. Our 1 minute closed red, so that's good. We wanted to come up and get us and come back down. You're about 9 pips away, y'all.
5 pips away.
Ooh, volume is kicking in, y'all. If you guys though are scared that you guys will miss this trade, you guys, if it like is close to the zone, maybe like at like 07.8, 0.7 ish, right? I'm sure 3 pips won't really matter, right? If you guys are scared that the zone is gonna be tapped very slightly and just drop, y'all can try for look for a zone a little bit lower than 3308. But we do recommend just being patient. You know, this avoids you guys being there's something called fear of missing out, right? in the trading scene. You guys probably heard about it, so you know, just watch out for that. Okay, I'm looking at the graph on my phone, MT5. Ooh, I'm ready to hit that sell button, yo. I'm waiting, y'all. I'm waiting. This is a scalping sell, guys. So we are not putting limit orders. We're going to manually press it ourselves because the order can change anytime. So let's chill. What's up, everybody that just came into the live? Hope y'all had a great day. We're having an okay day. First order we did milk 3 to take profits, and our second order was our big main zone. So we tanked quite a bit of a big SL, but it's okay.
If the red candle closes below this, then we might our scalp sell, our follow sell order might be like lower.
Yeah, if this does close below our, we might have to find a lower zone to follow. We were almost at entry. Whoever got an entry, congratulations.
It does close below. Our follow sale will now be at 3304. And then SL will be at 3308.
Excuse me, guys. All right.
Like 8 pips away.
We're close. Be patient, y'all. Be patient. Just eyes on the graph, y'all. No dilly dallying. No dilly dally. Right. Let's look for the sell.
Alright, guys.
Hey guys, we're in our zone. We're in our zone, guys. You guys can sell right now.
Low lot
Wake up.
Just kind of scalping.
Yeah, press that soundboard.
I didn't open the soundbar. Let me open it. Hold up.
50 Cent, wake up.
Bam.
That's so fucking loud, bro.
Oh shit, really? Let me put it like 30, 35. We're in our orders, guys. Short SL, because this is kind of testing for the sell.
Yeah, this is a test candle, y'all. This is quite risky, so careful. If you guys got a better price than what we did, we got it at the start of the zone at exactly 3304. If you guys start selling now, you should be about 200 points off. So this is chill, guys. This is chill.
Right now, the 4-hour is also oversold right now. So the risk we're taking is that we are basically going against every time frame stochastic right now. But hey, it's still in a downtrend, so we do not expect it to. We expect it to go down more a little bit.
Continue. Yeah. So if it decides to reverse, our short stop loss will prevent us from losing too much. All right, y'all. Let's see. Currently in drawdown, but that's okay. According to plan, I set my my SL, my TPs. I'm closing the graph or closing my phone until we see the graph hits take profit 1. We hit our high time frame demand zone. Let's see if our buy volume or sell volume disrespects it, because it disrespected our main zone just now. So we are expecting it to do quite a bit of a down move, way more. So we're still in profits overall for the day. So don't worry, guys. Scalp sell, guys, means that you're lowering your lot size and your order amounts. So don't worry, guys.
So
40 pip. Oh, we're in blues now, guys. Sheesh. Big volume just now.
So
damn.
just now, right? Just now when it started to come down, it was Trump. You saw the new tariff, right? The 48%. Thailand being like 39%, I think. So basically, Trump said that he will use it after August 1. That might also be why it came down. And also, like, I think 4 minutes ago, it's also Dow Jones. He basically is collecting the taxes from other countries that they are like fighting with their market.
Yes, sir.
So the news
Right now,
volume
there's
is
a little bit.
The news volume is still not like gone yet. That's why we're still hoping for like a downtrend.
Yep. Ooh, guys, if you are looking, we are
Almost-
in blues. Very sexy, guys.
Almost
in
TP1, guys. 200 points. 160 points.
Once it hit TP1, remember, guys, always set your SL to break even.
Yep.
That's the first thing you should do, guys. Take your partials, close one of your things, break even, and that's it. Especially for a scalping order like this, yo. This is very risky, guys.
You know how like when the dollars go up, gold goes down. Dollar goes down, gold goes up. That's why when they're collecting more taxes, right, the USD is gonna be like pretty like basically stronger, and that's why gold is coming down. the news of dollars, USD dollars being like stronger is actually since 1 hour ago already. So basically like around the start of the downfall, our sniper sell entry. So anyone that holds down, it's basically
Yeah,
like,
that was actually very sniper, but we didn't realize that there was off schedule news. So
yeah.
ooh.
So anyone that holds is actually 2,800 points right now, easy. But we basically gold right now, right? Like in these time periods, there's like a lot of off schedule news that will affect the gold swinging up and down. That's what you guys should be aware of too. But right now it's just breaking structure going down, as you can see. So we need to expect the price right here to come lower than this, and
lower
not
this
go higher
protected
than
low. Yeah, if it goes higher, that's where our SL is, guys. So
this. And pretty much, if it goes higher than this, that's pretty much where our SL is. And if it goes higher, it's gonna create a shock, which will confirm it going, giving us signals that it might goes up. And if that happens, we'll wait for it to retest this zone and then enter our buy order. So on the main zone. But right now it looks like it will come catch us as our first TP. First TP is at 300. So only 10 pips away.
we're close, guys. We're close. 10 pips away, guys. Patience. I know y'all see that blues, you want to take your profits, but chill.
Alright. 7 more pips.
7
6
pips away, guys. Almost.
6
Close.
6 7
6 7.
5.
Guys. I want to hear if we hit TP1 here, guys. Can you guys like our video and subscribe to us, please?
It's showing a strong reaction of our zone too, but as I said, the news volume is not out yet, so I'm expecting at least TP1. If not, then as planned, we already put our SL.
At least. Yeah.
If it shows, okay, if the next candle is like red and green, not entirely red, we will take our first profit at 3301. So like 7 pips away. If the volume goes down entirely, then we will, our profit will be the same. But if it is retesting at like 3301, we will close our profit at 3301. Let's see. Let it tells us. Yeah.
It's struggling to break under this low right now, guys, because I think there's a little bit of a buy volume.
Basically, it's also because, as I said, we are basically selling against the stochastic being oversold in every time frame right now. So, there's like a very high chance that it might just, goes up entirely. But right now, I think like a few days ago, it created like a high imbalance from the gold going up. Basically, right now it's just, come catching all the thing. Okay, if it goes down to 3301, you guys can take first partial profit. So our first partial profit, first partial profit will be at 3301. So we'll be at right here.
Yep, it seems like the graph is struggling, so we're gonna move our take profit 1 to a little bit higher, guys, just to reduce the risk and make sure we milk profits, guys. So
okay, guys, it's 4 pips away from our TP1.
We're close, guys.
Three pips. 3 to 5 pips.
2 pips. 1 pip.
6 7.
Okay, we hit TP1, guys.
TP1, guys.
I closed.
Set break even. If anyone didn't take the partial profit at 3301, you guys can wait for 3300 because the volume is kicking in. 4 pips until 3 pips. 4 pips, around 4 to 3. Okay, right now we wait for our second TP at 3296. And set break even. Boom. Okay, TP at 3300 should be smashed.
Oh,
But
y'all.
you know, I already told you guys to take at 3301 for the
Y'all,
reduced
this
risk,
volume
right?
is insane, y'all. This is crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that.
We're
You see-
smashing that shit. Call
You
that sniper. What's up, y'all?
You see how even if it break through our plan, right? We decided to change our plan and then follows the trend. This is basically taught in our in our course too, and that's how we take the views left and right. Okay, guys.
W's in the
Around
shot.
15 pips away from our second TP. 15 pips.
Okay, guys. Break even set. Almost
Okay.
TP2. Milk
Let's
profits.
let's
1.
take the second TP at 3298 because it's between our main zone. So, okay, guys, take second partial profits. Take second partial profit, guys, right now.
Yeah, take your partial profits right now, guys. Close one more of your orders.
So now our third profits will be at our below of our next buy zone, which is at 3293. 3293. Third TP is at 3293, guys. Let me change it a bit.
Guys,
Okay, so we wait. Now we wait. Set break even, and now we wait. Okay, guys.
Guys, what did I tell you? If y'all fuck with the signals we give you and fuck with the live, hit that fucking subscribe button, y'all. What y'all waiting for, yo? Support us for free. You know, you ever heard of the words give and take? We give you free signals. What we taking back? 2
We just-
seconds of your time and hit that subscribe button and that like button too if you guys can.
And
trying
you
to
know,
outreach to the other traders.
if you see us, first order is already 1,000, 1,200 points. Second order is we got fucked by the news. Third order, we decided to follow the trend because of the news volume not being being gone yet. That's basically how we take wins left and right. And as you can see here, it's creating another breakout structure here, so it might comes up. We don't want it to comes up above 3306. If it doesn't come up above 3306, it will confirm a downtrend. But we also need to look at our 5-minute, right? Because 5-minute right now, there's really like there's not like a confirmed trend line that could be used right now. The confirmed trend line is the up here. So it's it's not creating like a visible trend first, but of course it's in a downtrend, right? But yeah,
It's still y'all.
we're in 1 minute, right? So that's why we can see a lot of sidewaying, but in the higher
Notice
time frame, it's just red.
Guys, notice how we had zones that for following buy, but we learned that we should never trade against the trend, right? It broke through our main DZV zone, a very strong zone with the 4-hour order block, by the way. It broke through. You know what that told us? Sell volume is crazy. So you know what we decided to do? We decided to follow sell. You know why? Because if it's going to break through a crazy zone like that, right? Why would we buy? Why would we ever buy in that situation? See, notice how it tapped our other zone, right? That we drew on the graph. It came up like a solid 200 points, 300 points. Maybe we'll take profit and it's going to come break even. But like, there's no point in going against the trend. You guys just our course tells you to trade smart money, right? With the banks always.
And
even though we have zones like this left and right, it's not 100%. You gotta find other reasons to enter.
And as you can see here, we are almost at our our daily goals again. So if this is what you desire, if this is enough for you already, please just take a break from the graph, because we never know if it will bounce here. Let's say if this hit break even, right? We never know if it would bounce here, bounce here. We never know because the sell volume is still massive, and we never know. Gold is really volatile, right?
Gold is very volatile,
and nothing is 100%. Even though we are really close, but nothing is 100%. Like as you can see, look, 9 orders, right? So the buy limit right here that I give you in live, I also give to my Telegram community, which we did took a lot. We did took a loss, you know. But you know, as you can see, 10 round and we lost only 3, 70% win rate. Boom, easy.
Boom. Boom shakalaka, everybody.
And as you can see here, even though this is the main order, we didn't decide to buy here because we know that the sell volume is still insane, and the basically it is oversold in every time frame right now. You know, it's really oversold in every time frame right now. The RSI divergence is created in a 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, 1-hour time frame. But we still, you know, we are not going to tank a truck, right? You know, we're just gonna follow the trend until it shows us that it really wants to go up. Hey, trade smart and win big. Alright guys, almost at our TP3. If it smash our TP3, right, the next buy zone will be here. So at 3288. So like if it smash our TP3, it will be 50 pips away from our thing. It did create another break. Zone. It did create another breakout structure here, so we can wait.
So yeah, we're confirmed the downtrend for now, guys. I'm fairly confident that it's gonna hit TP3, so y'all don't gotta worry.
You just gotta wait and see.
Yeah, just gotta wait and see. We already took our profits.
If anyone hold our sell order, holy shit, guys! I'm gonna tell you, like this shit is like 2,000
that sell order
points.
Earlier today was actually goated, you know. Yeah. Holy shit! Like if you guys look right, it's at the end of the candlestick, yo. Like it was a scalping sell at the top of the sideways, right? It was a test candle basically.
And our SI was only like 300 points.
300 point SL for a 2,000 plus point fucking TP. Insane.
For 3,000 points.
Sheesh, bruv. If we had 5 orders and one of the order was open TP and was just trailing the stops, oh my god, bro.
But hey guys, you know, we don't only give one trade, right? We don't only give one signals. We give plenty of signals.
We give multiple.
So that's why you gotta join our Telegram. You guys can see here, look, every round of the 9 round I gave is all scalping. But look, even a short SL of 200 points, we still managed to get 60 pips, 67 pips, 40 pips. You know.
Crazy, bro. Our RR is insane, yo.
We try to pick the best zone and give the best RR and give the best SL points, because we know that, going into a trade, right, you just don't want to see that SL being like a miles away, we want it to be close.
You don't like that,
we want it to be close and get more orders in is better, right?
It's better to watch out.
Yeah, because as you can see, gold, right, is really volatile, right? You might even look, if your TP doesn't make sense, it might not even come catch us at our TP. That's why when you trade with us in live or in Telegram, I always tell you to, hey, okay, the volume is iffy right now. You guys should take your profit right here. Hey, the volume of the let's say we are buying, the volume of the sale is kicking in. So, that's why we take our profit right here. That's why we change our profit. We also change our SL, but we never change SL to further. We only change our SL to closer to the entry point. Even. Exactly.
Basically, what we're trying to say is that for scalping orders, the order always adapts, for a good cause, of course. If you all have enough market experience, right, you will understand when to take profits, when to take your SLs, right? When to clear blues, when to clear the order when it's back at entry, right? When to take your stop losses early. We teach that in the first 3 to 4 chapters actually on the trading course. So y'all just that's the first thing in the mindset, 100%.
And if you trade with us, right, if you start trading with us like from 2 weeks ago, and then you're like, hey, why does this guy say take profit, but my graph is not hitting profit? Hey, it might be because of your spread, and that's why you gotta use the same broker as us, We
Yeah,
SL the
you-
same point and we TP the same point. You know, it's that simple.
Yeah, if you guys want to follow our signals to 100% complete accuracy, gotta be quick. Gotta use the same broker with the same spreads, right? Because I think the spread is actually one of the smallest spreads in this world, in the world. If you guys click the link in the description below, you guys get a 40% deposit bonus for the first time.
And there's no bullshit like, you can't withdraw. You can't withdraw
Yeah,
in
you
this
guys
time.
can withdraw anytime,
Exactly.
anytime.
Oh, and the withdrawal
Unless
time
there's
is
too much
really
withdrawal.
yeah. Well, you know that happens.
You
You
know,
know why there's too much
Because
withdrawal?
we may making too much money, y'all. Actually suffering from success, yo. Literally, I'm pretty sure our broker, right? There was this one time the volume was crazy, right? Spreads was going crazy as well, but like people were taking too much profits left and right, right? Where the withdrawal system was actually busted.
Basically, I just want, you know, I really just want to tell you guys once again, you know, that our community have been the community with the most withdrawal for the past 2 years.
Yeah, how good is that, yo? For real.
But you know, for some iffy reason, we can't tell you how much it is, you know, how much the exact number is, but let's just say I can buy my dream car with it, you know. I can buy my dream car with it.
Well, we can buy so many dream cars with it, bro. Like for this year.
Oh, and by the way, my dream car is in Thailand, and with Thailand having 300% tax for cars, just, you know,
300%.
just calculate.
So you
it
can
a
buy
bit,
the same
know?
shit 3 times, bro.
Just calculate it, you know. Not saying the exact number, but you know, I'm just telling, guys. I'm just telling.
Whoever took this trade, if y'all are still here, let me get some blue hearts, maybe a like, maybe a subscribe if you guys can.
You know, guys.
But it's chill.
So we you know, we do be advertising our trading course a bit, but I think at the end of this month, right? Like, I think in the month of August we will be opening like the trading course where me and Amia is the one who teaches you from 0 to 100, and we will be consulting you until you're a success trader, and we will have like a limited number of people, because as you know, we
can only take so many people at the same time.
Yeah, you know? We really want to focus on all of you, you know. We don't want to only focus to like accept 100 of students and only have, we don't want to
give you,
you know, we don't want to give you like a little bit of our time. We want to give you a lot of our time, and we want to make you a success trader like us, because guys, you know, like, I don't know, this has become my passion already, right? And I really want this to work, just because I want to see people success because of you know, of my effort. I just want to see it, you know.
Yeah, literally, like, y'all don't understand. If like you see all those like influencers abroad, right, in the US, they sell courses, and all they do is just give you a video and that's it, right?
Alright, guys, 15 pips away from our third TP.
Oh shit, we were talking too much, we didn't even notice the fucking TP.
It's just that simple, bro. What?
It's that simple. Like, look how stress-free we are when we just press sell, break even, and like we just let the trade run, y'all. Look at that.
And even when it is, you know, it hit our stop loss, you know, it's according to plan. That's why we have stop loss, guys. That's why we have stop loss.
Literally.
When it hits stop loss, you know, it shows us that, hey, we gotta change our strategy a bit. We gotta tweak it a bit, you know, for it to match the market today. You know, you can't expect to use the same strategy all day, all week, all month, just to expect a high win rate and a confirmed win. You know, you gotta tweak. You gotta tweak it a bit when it.
Yeah, you gotta tweak it a bit. You know.
Yeah, and as you can see,
learn from every loss.
Look, it's already, you know, this layer is already running 90 pips from our entry. You know what that means? That means that it cancels out the order 2 that we hit SL. It's just that simple, bro. Like, what?
Like, even though we took one loss, we found opportunity. We teach that shit in the course, by the way. We stayed calm and collected. We analyzed. If you guys go back into the live, right, we literally talk you guys through on how the fuck we got this other order, right? So y'all just gotta lock the fuck in. Lock in with us. You guys, we accept a limited amount of students because we teach it live on Zoom and in person sometimes, if you guys can. Saturday, Sunday. But most of the time it will be live on Zoom because we are taking in abroad clients or international clients. The trading course is going to be fully in English. You're going to be provided with videos and 24/7 support from the coaches, except for when we're sleeping.
Hey, I'm gonna be honest, like, you know, this trading course is really different from other trading courses I've seen. You know, we have quizzes on on the end of every chapter. We have homework for you guys. We have midterm for you guys. We have final for you guys. We just want to make sure you really understand it, and we just want to make sure you really can stand on your own. Just like you're our student, you know.
Yeah, we treat you like you the kid, yo.
Come to daddy.
Alright, sus, bro, sus. Nah.
It's
None of that. Nah.
It's confirming another break even
bro.
right now. Oh, also, I think by August, you know, I'm not sure will it be in the beginning of August or mid-August, we will be changing our setup, you know, so stay tuned. If you want to see how different it is, stay tuned. We will basically change our live place and change most of the setup.
We're gonna be we setting up the studio right now, y'all. So chill, you know. Stay tuned for a nice warm scenery.
And also
right now we got some.
Also, we're dropping a long form YouTube video talking about how
Yes,
our
sir.
biggest fear as a trader, and also like our biggest fear as a trader and how to get started in the market and how to win in the market with us.
Yes, sir. Stay tuned, y'all. Subscribe. Get notified every time we go live. You guys join the Telegram, right? Turn on notifications, of course, right? Because you don't want to miss a single signal. Why would you guys want to do that? That's free profits right there. Yeah. That's all I can say, guys.
But yeah, we are trying to finish the trading course by the end of this month. So we actually already have like the trading course, but it's in Thai and it's taught by the the owner, the leader of our community. So we're basically just gonna teach it in our own style and translate it into English, and hopefully we can make it happen, which is like basically making a caption for like most of the people around the world. So let's say like Arab, Arabic, Chinese, Philippines, Tagalog, and many other more caption. That's our plan. But first is for us to complete the the trading course. And if you don't believe in us, just join our live, see why we enter the trade, see why we enter the trade, see why why is this community winning so much, why is this community winning
y'all
so
can
big?
come and join for live experience with us, by the way. We walk you through it. We every time we enter a trade, we don't just tell you sell and buy. We walk you through the reasons and the confluences. So we different, y'all. We different. The fuck, we different.
So right now, right? Since this is our let me bring you through a bit. As I said, we will bring you through everything. Since this is our 4 hour, 1 hour and 30 minute hidden candle and demand zone, as you can see in the 1 minute time frame, right? That it already broke through this zone, which changed into like what TJR said. Once the floor is broke, it will become our roof. Once the roof is broke, it will become our floor. So this will become our
we call it a throwback zone.
Yep. You wanna see us throwback?
Alright, bro. Pause.
So if it comes up, right, I will look to if you guys don't have any order, right, you guys can look to sell around 3300 and then SL shortly at 3304. And then first TP can be 1-to-1 RR, right? So at 3296. This if it comes up and catch you guys, right? If it doesn't, then wait, don't sell in the middle of the in the middle of the road, in the middle of the path. Just wait, because if it broke through this TP3, right, if it smashed our TP3 at 3293, we'll be waiting for our buy limit down here at 3288, which is only 50 pips away from our next order, right? So be patient and wait with us. So let me type follow sell 3300 will be our order for not active, right? So it's not active yet. or SL will be 3304, and first TP will be 3306, 3296. TP2 will be 32990. Let me put it right there. But if you want winning trades like this every day, all day long, bottom right, everyone, bottom right, scan it.
Bottom right,
join
y'all.
it.
Scan that fucking QR.
And hey,
Scan that QR.
we are really
press that
happy.
like button.
We are really happy if you guys ask us question in the live stream. We can, we want to answer you all question. Because look,
we want to interact with y'all. We want to talk to you.
As much as we want you to learn the trading course we offer, we also want to answer any question that you have in mind. Let's say maybe, hey, why? Look, okay, let's say if you ask us why did gold drop this much in the past hour, we got that answer.
Yes, sir.
Why did
What's
we
up,
change
Alpha
from
Mango?
Yo, what's up? When they converted
Hey,
in
you
one
back, bruh? Today's funded news for me. Did you trade? Did you take any trades today?
When they converted in one day. Yo? You got it?
Have you officially passed your account?
Yo, wait. I'm actually excited for you.
Yeah, I'm excited, yo. I'm happy that people be actually getting profits. You guys should give us feedback. If anybody's taking signals, you guys should tell us. Like,
we want
I don't want to see my own account grow. I want to see your guys's too. I want to see you guys, be up too.
We want to see
money up, your money up too.
We want to see your your blue hearts in the chat. Your blue hearts in the chat, the views in the chat. You feel me?
Yeah. So Alpha Manga, how's that? How's your funded going? Your funded journey. We're just gonna look for sells left and right today because today, this volume is a little insane, yo. Yeah, we might have to ask for the meeting to be at 11 o'clock.
So yeah, we're waiting for it to smash our TP3.
How to spell fight up?
So I for fun. Got ball. Right now, it's fighting the buy volume from the zone. So this zone is also another huge ass zone. This zone is the 1 hour hidden candle and the throwback zone it created from the uptrend, basically last week. But as you can see how it came up so much, right? I'm expecting it to go back down to at least at the end of the trend line. So I'm waiting for it to reach 3288 for me to sell, for me to start selling.
Yes, sir.
I mean for me to start buying. Oops, my bad. ba, ba-da-da, ba, ba, ba.
Wait, how many? Fuck, hold on, let me look. That was 900, right? If we hit TP3, this is
This
is
is
what?
1,100
100 points? 100 pips?
1,100 points, so 110 pips.
Sheesh.
Look,
That's big money right there.
It touched our throwback zone, by the way.
Yeah, it touched
not,
that
not throwback.
throwback.
It pushed. It touched our pullback zone. I mean, and boom! Look.
Just immediately went down, yo. And where do you learn that? With us, yo.
Ah, shit.
No, notice how we drew exactly where it's gonna fucking resist, bro. All right, let's see if it pushes it down 100 more, 200 more points, and let's take our third profit and officially close this order because I only have 3 orders. Yo.
Alright, guys. Only 15 pips away from our third TP.
Yeah, bro keeps asking the same question. Yo, Gabby, your dad is answering us, bro. That's so weird.
Okay, bro. Seafood.
This guy, I can't believe he was the imposter, bro. I was wondering why he was acting so sus, bro. I swear to God.
Hi, Loy.
Just get it. And I was like, oh, that's just his personality, you know? So I was like, okay, that's fire, you know? Why not? But nah, this dude was fucking sabotaging. And I thought Ploy was just low-key a little, like, you know, a little busted in the head, right? So she was answering everything wrong, but no. Doing that shit on purpose. And the guy accidentally answered right on one of the questions, so I think that was that was our lucky move. One is live right now. Oh, everybody's popping up. Everybody going crazy.
Alright, guys. 11 people in the the chat. You know, hope you guys holding the same trade as us. You know, we are only 20 pips away from our TP3. If it smash, we'll be holding. We will basically wait for our buy limit down here.
Yep, buy limit, or it's gonna come up to sell, continue selling. So,
yep.
Patience is patience. Patience, everybody, patience. Come and get it. All on me, baby. Come and get it. All on me, baby. Oh, let me search up how to spike a volleyball.
What? Same way as you spike any no? What do you say? Same way as you spike a badminton. Basically,
Yeah, I
we
forgot
just
to
want
fucking do my homework, bro. Wait, Gabber, before I explain. Shit! It was due 7 minutes ago? Fuck! I had the answers too, bro. Wait, I'm actually so stupid, bro. What am I doing? Actually, what am I doing?
Remind
What am
me
I
to
doing?
after live. I gotta go down and print my homework too.
Yeah, bro. What am I doing, bro? Holy shit. I was too focused on this shit. Oh, I'm actually so cooked, yo. Chop rice! Everybody chop rice! Fuck.
This is me. This is me after missing a homework.
I swear I missed way too many homework though.
Guys, 4 pips away from our TP3. 4 pips away from our TP3. 1 pips. 0.4 pips. Bam! TP3 smash, guys. TP3 smash. What is this, guys? Like, what? Why is it so easy?
So easy, bruv. So easy.
Bam!
Ka-ching, ka-ching.
Like, what? Bam!
$1,100 points, guys. Tonight we don't even have to continue trading.
Like, we're up 138.
Gabby, should we answer him? The guy asked if bro is living. Should we tell him?
Who?
I feel bad, bro. Nobody's answering him. He asked like
Call
twice
me,
already,
innit?
bro. Yeah. Probably. We should just say nada.
Alright, guys. If it hit 3288, we will be scalping buy. Well, not a scalping, is a main zone, but our ISA will be really short. So let me type the order in. Buy. No, order for buy 3288 to 3288. Let's say, let me see. And then SL will be at.
Yeah, one is passing us. Yo, we gotta step up our game, Gabber.
Tight shit.
Yo, we gotta lock in, y'all. Hope y'all can support us to you know, our goal of having 10,000 Telegram members by the end of this year, guys. I really do think we can do it.
Guys, we're in the orders by the way. We're in buy orders. This is the order for. Let me set it up. Oh, instant blues, guys. Instant blues. Instant blue. Instant blue. Our TP1 is we already hit TP1, guys. What? That's so fast. We already hit TP1. Alright, okay. We are back at entry, so let's wait. But we already hit TP1. 300 points secured. That's a fast order, guys. You guys gotta be really fast. You feel me? You feel me, dog?
You feel me though? You feel me though?
But
Back
you know,
entry, y'all can still enter, guys. It's okay.
so we're
All right, hold on. Sheesh. Guys, this is a very risky order, by the way. So maybe
because you know, use a lower lot size because this is a
lower your lot
risky.
size.
This is a
Very
risky
risky.
order because you know, as I said, it's in a really like fucking high downtrend right now, right? As you can see, like the down volume, literally from 3329, it came down to 3287. That's like 4,000 points, bro. That's literally a non-farm news. And guys, for those who re-enter, okay, for those who re-enter, you guys should hit your first TP now. Just now, when it come up. But if not, then you guys can wait. There's a really high buy volume, you know, rejecting our zone right here, you know, sniper entry, guys. If it hit first TP, take partial profit and set break even, guys. You know, that's the rule of our community. Alright, guys, confirm TP1 hit. Let's wait for TP2, okay? Set break even though. Set break even. Like what? TP against TP? Like what is this? John Wick?
TP after TP, yo, we're actually sniper.
This is like better than John Wick, bro. What the fuck? Alright, guys. We are only like 20 pips away from our, you know, second TP.
Second TP, which is very sexy.
If it hit our second TP, this order will be 60 pips in profit. What?
Yo.
What?
Oh, whoa.
Guys, if it hit break even, we will wait for the lower zone. So if it hit break even, we will wait for it to reach 3285 for the second re-entry. But let's see if it hit or not. Okay, just be patient. You know, patient is the key.
Be patient, be patient. I'm looking at my graph on my phone, y'all. So if you guys see me looking down, what's up, Namkeng Gon?
We were
That's an
only
interesting name.
we were only
So-
like 10 pips away from our TP too, but it's fine. You know, we can wait. We can wait. Yo, what's up? What's up, Namkeng Gone?
Okay. Anybody who entered 8-8
Should have a break even set right now. So
So let me put.
what's up, Asian Bright?
Oh, what's up, Asian Bright? Long time no see. We didn't live on the Friday because we went to a coach camp, but
Yeah, we went on a trip for 3 days. So
yeah, but we did live yesterday though. Did you come? I don't see you.
we came back.
I miss you.
Hello.
Oh shit, no.
Alright, chill, my nigga. Yo.
Yo, Asian Bright, we are having like a new project coming up, and we are really excited. If you're excited, like, it's you, Asian Bright. It's you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure the university's got like orientation. Y'all met with your advisors, right, and stuff.
Yeah, don't worry, Asian Bright. But Asian Bright, we have a project coming up that we want you to be a part of it. But give us 2 months, 2 to 3 months, okay?
Whoa, guys, TP1, TP2
Oh.
very soon, guys. TP2 very soon.
Wait. TP2 smash, guys.
TP2,
Aight,
y'all. TP2.
Let's
Easy,
wait for
easy.
TP3. TP3 is up
Easy.
here at the 3300. TP2 smash actually sniper entry or what,
Easy,
bro?
fam. Easy,
Sniper
fam.
entry or what? Huh? Tell me, huh? Tell me. Tell me. Ta, 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 ta. Oh, Asian Bright, if you see this monkey right here, right, at the university, just say hi to him and he might spoil you with what the project is about, okay?
Yeah, don't do that.
No, but you can say hi. He might spoil you.
Yeah,
You
you
know.
can you can pull up and say hi.
We
You can
we
pull up
we
and say
will
hi.
we will spoil
Don't
a
rat
bit.
me
You know?
out though.
Yeah.
Don't rat me out though. Hide my identity until I'm famous or something. I don't know.
The project is really big, and yeah, I'm basically choosing people to join the project right now. You know, I'm choosing from like people who stayed with me since day one. So I'm waiting. You know, waiting for a loyal, loyal viewer. Yo, it's his ex. It's his ex. It's his ex-girlfriend. Asian, right? That girl is his ex-girlfriend, and he's trying to get back with her.
When was this, guys? By the way, when was this? Asian, right? Please tell me the exact time.
Bro, T.
Hey, bro, drop rice. Dude, why you ratting me out, bro? Hey.
Okay, guys, the RSI divergence of 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour is showing, and the oversold for 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour is still showing. So there's a pretty high chance that it will go up back to TP, basically back to our entry and to TP3. Last Friday, oh my God, you're right. You're right.
Fuck,
right.
bro.
You're right.
Fuck.
It's him. Asian, right, bro?
Hey.
Yo, be honest.
Where?
Asian, right? Be honest. It's the girl shop or no?
Oh, she hella chop, bro, for real.
I mean, I don't think she shopped though.
Was it a really short girl?
Yo, actual T, bro, actual T. So right now it's it's showing like the reject of our pullback zone created from the 1 hour hidden candle that it passed through.
Oh, you didn't wear glasses, so you just saw my big ass hair, and then you just assumed that it was me.
He just saw that you're black, you know.
All right, shut up, bro. Yo, I'm a 6'7" tall, nonchalant black dude, anyways, you know.
Yo, guys, welcome. 14 viewers in the chat. You can
What's up, y'all?
you see how good we are.
Back-to-back sell and buy orders hit both TPs. Like, fuck, bro.
Like, just join our Telegram. Bottom right.
Join the fucking Telegram, yo. What are you waiting for?
Okay, don't
God
be that
damn.
aggressive, bro. But you guys can join our Telegram. Bottom right.
Telegram.
Win. The bills after the bill signals every day. As you can see here, 8th of July today, we managed to put out around 9 scalping orders. And as you can see from scalping orders, 200 points, we managed to get 500 points, 600 points, almost 700 points. Today we back over 2,000 points to 2,600 points just in our Telegram. This is not included. Our live order is not included in there. Our live order we managed to back right now. Only right now, it's still ongoing, but only right now we managed to back 2,000 points. Add it up. Yeah, 2,000 equal 4,000, bro. Hi, both.
Now
I have no order yet. Can I have one? You can have 1, 2, even 10 every day if you join our Telegram on the bottom right.
Yeah, patience. We can't tell you we can't tell you to buy or sell right now, but you guys have to wait. You Tanny, you have to wait for the zones to hit for the perfect
exactly
sell and buy zone. So right now, all you can do is wait. If you want to trade all day with us, you go ahead, join the Telegram.
If you want to join community, hit us up. If you want indicator, hit us up.
You want anything? Don't be shy to ask.
Just hit us up.
If you have time to come sit with us and talk to us while we living, because we low key lonely. Talk. Okay, bro, shut up.
Yeah, I was trying to talk to her. Get the hack to her.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Tanny, just feel free to join our Telegram, right? Bottom right, and you will see our winning orders left and right. Of course, not 100%, right? No one is 100%. No one is perfect. But just so you want to see, like 9 orders and 9 orders and like 2 SL. What? 4 order and 1 SL. 75% win rate.
Chop rice, chop
W's
rice.
in the
Actually, chop
shot.
rice, bro. This
W's
shit
in
chop
the
rice, bro.
shot.
This shit actually W's in the shots. Yo, I entered a little late on that zone. I entered at 89. But it doesn't matter, bro. We smashed TP too.
Yeah. Like, bro, Tani, look. What is this? Follow sale. Look, okay. I'll be like 100% transparent, right? We did sold up here at 5029, but our 30p is right here because it reached our main order of the day, right? But then there's an off-schedule news of Trump, talking about USD and taxes, and Dow Jones also talked about the tax. That's why gold,
So
that's
we
why
bought.
USD becomes stronger and gold becomes weaker. That's why it dropped down. When it dropped down and hit our second order SL, we were like, okay. So
Yeah.
the downtrend, it confirmed the downtrend in every time frame. Even though the store is oversold, we managed to follow sell, find the perfect points to follow sell. Bam, hit 3 TP. Comes down, hit our trend line of 4 hours, and also like many reasons supporting it. And since the store is oversold, we managed to bam buy at the end of the candle. Look, perfect.
Bro,
What?
look at that. Look.
What?
Look.
Like what?
Look, that's a sniper if you guys don't want to if you Well, we're actually fucking more precise than a fucking Russian sniper in Ukraine right now, low key.
Okay, maybe not.
We're actually murdering the fucking graph right now. Today is a W day. I can call it a W day. Asian
Yeah.
Bright is right. W's in the shots, y'all.
And we are
Ladies
presenting.
with gentle hands.
You know why we're presenting all this? I don't want to spoil you on our long form video, but like we're doing all this because we're facing our biggest fear in a few years. You wanna know? Our
Guys,
biggest
we're gonna
fear?
graduate university.
Yo, you wanna know our biggest fear? Aja. Aja. Aja.
I don't want to graduate university having to work a fuck ass 9 to 5, yo. Actually put the fries in the bag, y'all.
Like, bro, you only need to join our live for 3 hours, bro. You only need to join our live for 3 hours. You only need to take 3 orders in our Telegram to hit the daily goals of 100 pips and
Look,
walk away.
There's somebody asking เป็นหยังกันครับ
เป็นคนหล่อ
Sorry, too much TP. Too many TPs, guys.
ฮาตะ
I
มา
just-
ช้านะ
yeah.
มาช้า TP กันไปนานแล้ว เอ้ย Yo, ban. Time out.
Stop. Hey, Asian Bright, we're not unemployed. We're
Professional
hustlers, yo.
freelancer.
Side hustlers.
Professional freelancer.
คนเหล่าว่าซ่านใช่แล้วครับน้อง
We are professional freelancer. Professional side hustler.
Freelance. Side hustler. Let me show myself. If I may say.
Single by
Hey.
choice.
My day job. My day job is going to that fuck ass university. Okay, so you guys are you Asian Bright. Next year you're gonna have to be fucking coming here every summer too. While your friends on the other fucking faculties be having their vacations, right? We're still having to fucking get our credits. So.
Wait, wrong. Asian Bright in next year. Wait, you know what? I mean, I should add the Sigma song in the.
No.
comment.
No, you should not.
Sigma.
Guyver, should we tell her to fuck?
I already told her that. 5 ทุ่ม please.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, no.
Yeah, we decided to buy it now because it just seemed we were at the end of the trend line that we drew earlier in the higher time frame, and we reached a pretty hefty support zone on the higher time frame too.
Yeah, so basically, right?
So
So basically, the store is actually oversold since here already, and then it came down, but we saw that the downtrend. So if we go to the 4-hour graph, right? You can see that when it was right here, it was still in the middle of the trend. That's why we don't want to, we don't want to force buy. We look for follow sell opportunity, right? And then bam, we got it, and then once it follow sell successfully, it came down 1,100 points, and boom, it was at the back of our trend line. Not only that, we also have the support, our support, which is our big ass for our hidden candle, as you can see here. Wow. But we don't wanna, we don't wanna tell all of you guys our strategy because
like bang bang skeet skeet,
secret class.
What?
I meant like our trading course is like a secret class.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Gooners, no, bro. Gooners, no. Hey, guys, we're so close to TP1.
Guys, let's rally for our TP3.
TP1.
TP1 like TP3.
TP3. Fuck.
Can I follow by? No, don't.
Don't
Because
follow by. You're a little bit late on the follow by, guys.
nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. Yes. Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
Bro?
4 people come save £50 each. That's a whopping
Guys,
200 euro.
I mean, crazy. I'm putting my fucking SL break even. Actually, no, I'm following my stop. Hold on one sec. I'm following my stop up here. Oh shit. Yo! My phone tweaking.
It's fine. Just don't show. Don't show. Taxes, taxes.
I'm following my stop, y'all.
Cannot.
That's it.
Hey guys, and Suponrat, don't follow by here because as you can see, it's actually so okay. Let me give you some reason, right? If the floor is broken, it become our ceiling. If the ceiling is broken, it become our floor. So as you can see here, this was our floor. It broke through. That's why it became our ceiling. And if it comes up here, right, it might show a little strong rejection here, and might come down to the zone again. So if you really want to follow buy, I would suggest you follow buying like around 3285 to 3288. So at the back of the trend line again, because what is taught in our trading course, in our go-to trading course, is that once a zone is used, you shouldn't reuse it, because it's not as strong anymore.
You should find a new opportunity, because
Exactly.
it might break through. You never know.
Breakthrough.
So let's be patient today. Whoever was in the live earlier,
The views in the
congratulations,
chat,
you all follow W's in the chat.
Yeah. You want to
y'all
see how
follow
it
the
break through
signals.
again? You want to see how it break through again?
Okay,
Breakthrough.
no, we don't want to see that
It
shit.
break
bro.
through. It break through. No?
Fuck.
Oh, shit.
Stop, bro.
No?
Stop. You guys ruining it. You're ruining it, man. Ruining it, man.
We're both in Thailand right now. Wait.
Job in 2020.
I mean, don't say the swear word.
Shit, my fault. Fuck. Alright, locked in, guys. We were geeking earlier. Let's lock in.
Hey, Witchacon.
Hey.
No more the J word.
Don't
No
ever,
more
don't
J
ever put
slur.
that shit. Don't ever put that shit in the chat ever again, bro.
No more J
I
slur.
see.
No more J slur. If yes,
That's dangerous.
you're gonna get time out. Don't try. Alright guys, we are
None of that.
we are around 25 pips away from our TP3. So if you guys want to close profits right here, you guys can, because it's officially 1,000 points from our zone.
Today was hella bread. Holy shit, bro. Holy shit.
But as I'll just be waiting for my same zone. If it doesn't come catch us, it's fine. We already secured a lot of profit. But if it does, the views in the chat, everyone, the views in the chat. Alright, let me continue finding like the thing I want to put in my sound pad.
Please don't put the Sigma Boy song.
not
I'm
signal
actually
for
gonna
that, bro.
tweak out, bro. I do not want to hear that shit.
Ah, I find it. So, 9, okay. I will add another. Yo, Amir, keep entertaining our 17 viewers, yo.
Oh shit, my fault. Damn. Y'all, I just missed my homework. I'm low-key cooked. I think I'm my grades are not gonna look too good this summer, guys. But grades looking down, but we up, niggas, we up.
Hi,
We
shit.
up. Today we up.
Yo.
I can always study later.
Yo, Hata, are you there? Is Hata in the room with us? If yes, this is for you. Thai shit. So it's showing like a down, reject off our pullback zone, right? As I mentioned, that's why I didn't want you to follow by. But our this zone, this zone is basically like Thai slum ceiling. It's been broken through, going up, broken through. So we never know.
Did you
So
say
let's see.
Thai slum?
What?
What?
Am I wrong?
What? yo, hey,
What?
yo,
That shit is
this unhingedness, bro. Actually,
that shit is always always breaking, bro. The fuck? And guys, if it shows like a rejection like this, right? Because this is actually like another supply zone up here. So as you can see, in the 1 minute, right? It's showing like a supply zone right here, right? Since it's rejecting 3 times already. That means that your TP3, let's change our TP3, right? Our TP3 can be at 3298, yeah, for perfect 1000 points. So if it comes up again at 3298, you guys can collect profits. And once it come up, good night everyone. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
20 more minutes, chat. Let's see. We actually got a meeting at 10 p.m. But yeah.
Yeah, we had.
Hey, the views in the chat for which account, bro? The views in the chat.
W follow sell, W follow buy. W's in the
Hey.
shots, everybody.
The views follow sale, the views follow buy. The view chica and the view.
You know, guys, y'all. Honestly, I don't want to say this, but like, we might be even more sniper than the other coaches. So.
Hey, we can't say that.
Hey, I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
Yo, I mean, delete that shit. No, we can't say that. I mean, don't say that again, please. No. I mean, we actually can't say that. Okay.
I know.
We're just joking, guys. We're just joking because Coach Liu is basically the one who supplies us with all the knowledge. Coach Hami is basically the one with most of the sniper entry in most of the zone. Coach is the one who trim every zone down to the point where it's literally no risk. Like literally small SL, small TP. Coach Ply is really patient. With her orders. Coach Ply. Like trading with Coach Ply is like, I thought I'm not trading. Like it's so chill. Like like she really will teach her audience, you know, to be patient, and that's the key. And that's the key. And as right here, we're just goofing around because we don't wanna.
Yeah, we don't want to make trading too serious.
No,
you know,
we don't wanna.
This shit stresses you out.
We don't wanna.
No, don't say it. Don't say it. Don't say
Achoo! No, but it's fine, you know. And other coaches, you know, like Coach Nuan, Coach Boat, Coach Boom, Coach Atom, you know, they all goated. You know, they all goated. The views in the chat, you know, the views in the chat.
W's in the chat, guys. Everybody in the community is goated, guys. You know, I know. This channel, guys, if you guys can see, we are like professional bullshitters, professional wafflers. So,
but we're not bullshitting with our zone though.
Yeah, whatever we say, that whatever the fuck that comes out of our mouth stays in this live, guys. Cause like low key, we can get canceled for it. But
so
like,
I can say the N word.
Okay, no, so shut up. You can't say that. I'm racist. I'm racism protected, guys. Just know that behind the screen, he says it all the time. Hey, don't make that face. You guilty, bro. That's the face of a guilty man, yo.
What? What?
What? I would never do that. What?
Hey, Hata, you can't be saying that. It's bouncing up with. It's bouncing up with this.
Our airplane strategy is about to go crazy.
Matter of fact.
Amber, you forgot to take our TP3, by the way.
No, the TP3 was at 3300. That's why I changed it to 3298 because it's showing like a strong rejection from the pullback zone.
We already took profits, bro. What?
No, we did. TP3, not yet.
What?
Wait, what?
Did I close it by accident, bro? No, I'm still in the trade. It's all good.
You closed a different order.
Yeah, I closed a different order.
Yeah, it's fine though. But
Miscommunication, guys. Communication. Combination.
you see, wait, you see my left wing demand zone.
Hearts in the chat, guys.
You see my left wing demand zone.
Guys, whatever he says from now on, don't remember what he's gonna say, guys.
This is taught in our
Left
trading.
wing demand zone.
This is taught in our trading class, by the way.
Guys, if you guys learn it from us, right, we're gonna teach you. Our trading course is called TPT, right? Ultimate trading course.
No, it's
right.
It's
Top...
trading. I don't know. I forgot.
I don't fucking know. But it's called the Ultimate Trading Course by Coach Liu, right? For us, it's the ultimate.
No, by Ninja Map.
Oh, my Ninja Map. It's called the ultimate trading course, y'all. This shit they don't teach you.
Yeah.
The left wing support zone, they don't teach you there.
Exactly. The hammer market mover and the market
hammer
cooler.
Market mover and the magnet market destroyer, bro.
Yeah.
Like, we got three techniques here.
And the airplane left wing demand zone. I call it ALF. You know, ALF. Who teach you that, bro?
What are we saying, bro?
Who teach you that? You see, right when I put my left wing demand zone up, it bounced up like 200 points. Why not just put another left wing demand zone there? You feel me?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Yeah.
Literally, bro.
Look, and then this is the back wing demand zone. This is the back wing demand zone. Wait, where's our TV? Okay. Eh? Back wing demand zone hitting it up again. Oh, this can be learned in our trading course, by the way.
Okay, bro. What the fuck is this, bro?
Okay, guys, let's be serious here, okay? So, by the solars. Wait.
Bro, wait till you see the dick and ball strategy, yo. Manipulation, accumulation, ejaculation.
No, wait. Let me show you guys. So, basically what happened here, right? Is performing a ball here. A ball here, right? No.
I don't think we're allowed to draw
Ball
dicks on live, Gabber.
And then a rocket, right? Once the rocket is burned through, right? You know how like the astronaut
The oil,
ejects.
the oil.
No,
Ejects the oil.
the astronaut ejects themselves, right? So when it ejects, it goes down. It goes down. You know. Look, it goes down. This is our rocket waterfall strategy learned in our trading course.
Bro.
Mod, time out, Asian Bright.
Hey,
Slur.
Hey, you, hey, that's worse. That's nah. Don't be saying that shit,
We're not
bro.
Unem-
You're calling our
unimproved.
strategy fucking
We're
cooks,
not-
bro. Look.
We're not unimproved. We're professional freelancer.
Well, when the huzz don't want the unimplugs, so you just low key bros, bro.
What is this? What is this? No. Employment. Wait, let me delete all this before Coach Liu comes in.
Yeah, I think Coach Liu might be sneaking into our live. Remember the time we were sitting on the couch where she was just like staring at us while we were like trying to fall asleep?
No, remember? Oh wait, it hit our TV3, guys. You see?
Oh shit. Oh, TP3 guys. Damn.
GG. Alright, TP3 hit, guys. Bam! 100 pips มุกไทยเฉยๆครับพี่แบบว่ามุกฝรั่งเฉยๆฝรั่งเขากลัว กลัวหาไม่ชอบเรื่องการหางาน
Bro, I swear, you know, people would turn anything into memes, you know?
Alright guys, can we get
Gabber,
the
you
views
know,
in the chat?
I had a bad habit of you know, dragging my TPs instead of writing it into the MT5. I put the TP at 3298.04. So I didn't close yet. I'm a fucking idiot, bro.
Okay.
Bro, those moves are horrendous, bro. Don't ever do that shit again, bro.
So actually we went through all like our main zone today already. So our side
Yeah, we went through most of our main zone.
it hit our 1 hour and 30 minute hidden candle, and then it created a sideway. That's how we know that it might not come catch us. So we do like we do a sideway, and then when it hit, we enter the sale order. We got 1,000, almost 1,200 points off that, and then it hit our DZV zone, right? DZV of the it's basically our daily buy zone. It's also supported by our 4-hour hidden candle and other block. But then unfortunately there's like a off schedule news. That's why we tanked the SL of 900 points. But then after that we saw that the trend line is it's reversing to the like a big downtrend. That's why we chose to follow sell. When it hit the follow sell, right? We waited for it to basically come up and catch us. As you can see here, the 1 minute, right? It came down, it closed over, and then we waited for it. We waited for it to come up to the ceiling right here, right? So the supply zone, and then we enter a sell order here, and boom, 1,100 points. And then once it reaches the bottom of our 4-hour trend line, which we sell here. Look, what at the tip of the candle? What the fuck? And boom, another 1,000 points.
Yeah, this dude asking what is the secret project, acting like it's not a secret, bro. What?
So basically in live today, right, we secured over 2,380 points. Some of the viewers might be gone yesterday because we kind of basically yesterday was not our day. We got like I think 850 points lost, but today double our daily goals, bro. Easy. Look, if you plus our 238 pips and our 263 pips, that's 500 pips secured in the Telegram and in the YouTube live, bro. What the fuck? Is that easy, boys?
Is that easy? It's too easy. Teach me how to Dougie. 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 Hey,
Asian Bright.
this will probably be our last trade for tonight, guys.
Yeah,
because we have a meeting to attend in 9 minutes. So
you guys can ask us if there's any question you wanna ask. 3340นะถ้ามันขึ้นอ่ะอันนี้ในความคิดของผมนะ Okay, wait. In English, if it comes up, right, I think it will get stuck here, and it might be scalping orders right here, like bam, scalping orders like here, and then like small SL, right? So this is the first selling point. You guys can wait, and then maybe it probably will stuck like at the top, another scalping, and then once it reach here, I think it can be another main. This is a main order, okay? Main order for selling. So around 3309 to 3317, you guys can choose like in the middle of the zone, and then SL like around 3318. So like sell like 3313 and then SL 3318. So only 500 points, and then because it's in the middle of the graph, right? When the sideways is created, right, in the lower time frame, as you can see, it doesn't only just go bottom top, it go top bottom, jiggly 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 jiggly, top bottom, jiggly jiggly jiggly, top jiggly jiggly jiggly, bottom. You feel me? So it can get stuck to the trend a lot of time. So I feel like it will stuck here first, and it might come down a little bit, maybe like 1,000 points worth of order, like worth of our order, right? And once it come up to here at 3333, it will have like a sell volume again, bam, down, and then again at the top of our trend line, so 3340, yeah. But right now, let's see if it will get past through our this zone first, like this big ass zone, and then big ass zone. So there's basically around 3 zone right now that it will get stuck. It will get stuck, right, for the uptrend. So basically 1, 2, 3, and at the top 4. So that's basically the insight, or we will share before we're going down from the live. Secured a lot of profits today. The view, I will put it in ฟันดีครับทุกคน
W's in the shot. Agent Bright, have you taken the course yet?
He haven't. I don't think he haven't. Cause okay, Asian, right? This is a secret between 10 of us, right? This shit only works if you haven't taken the course yet.
What?
Okay, let me put the.
Y'all listen to Lil Tekka, bro? Lil Tekka is actually so fire, bro. You're going to be taking it with us? Yeah, We're gonna
Uh,
turn the course into an English course very soon, so you get
yeah,
stay
Asian Bright,
tuned.
you can wait.
can wait.
ฮาตะ
Don't worry, it's chill.
ฮาตะระวังนะ Yo, Asian Bright, so just wait, okay, until the end of this month. Like, at least until the end of this month, we'll basically translate the course into English, and we'll be the one who will be teaching it. And this shit only work if you take the English course, and you will know why later. We will be counting on you.
Yes, sir. We're gonna go to the studio to film the videos for the course very soon. So,
But yeah, secret
now,
project,
we got-
secret project.
yeah, right
Just-
now we got finals exams in the way, so
If you take the course at like August, no matter it's the beginning of the August or at the end of the August, it's up to you. But from today, give us 3 months. So if if you take at the August, right? That's 1 month from here, right? The secret project will begin at October, right? Because we okay. Oh, I'm gonna be like for with you, right? We kind of need to grow our channel, our base first, our students.
yeah, we're
everything.
not trying to get the Thai community in here. We're actually trying to outreach this to international people.
Yeah,
So we're trying to get most of our subs as like not Thai people.
yeah. So in 3 months, right? In 3 months, we need to grow ourselves, right? And then after this, after we grow us to like the point where it's like already like stable, that's when our secret project will begin.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, this is going to everyone, Vichakon, Hata, anyone that is, even Tanny, if Tanny is still here, anyone that is an English speaker, right? This is going to all of you all.
Yep. Yeah, we, yes, sir, we.
Shh.
We might be like TJR and Toji, who knows? Maybe not Toji, but like yeah.
No,
Secret project will commence when we grow our community to at least 1,000 or 2,000 subs.
I think I think it's at least like I want at least 5k subs in any platform to begin our secret project. So
That's true.
it's a long way, but we are basically putting
It's
our
very
life
possible.
into this. Yeah, we're basically
We're
putting
very
every
locked in.
Yeah, so let's see, because
I sacrificed my grades for this, by the way.
okay, bro. What the project is gonna be huge, and we are basically finding people who are really committed to it. Yeah. So, even though you, hey Hata, that's why you gotta start learning English, right? To join our
Yeah, you
secret
come
class.
to our channel every day and learn English with us, okay?
Yeah, I feel like if our Telegram like hit 5k subs, right, and even YouTube, like anywhere, because if our YouTube hit 5k subs, right, Telegram would be around like 200 to or like 2,000 to 3,000, I think at least. So yeah, we are waiting because yeah, we are we are trying to find like to make the community more international, right?
Yeah. So right now our channel is growing pretty slowly because the Thai people don't really want to come and sit down and listen to us speaking English. So we just gotta get some time, some fun content. I gotta post a short again tonight. Ah, fuck. Oh.
Basically, anyone is welcome to join this secret project. We won't tell you guys yet, but we really want to find like the committed one, like the one that will show us that you're really gonna go all in this. Not all in. Of course, you guys have responsibilities, but yeah, we're aiming for people that is ready to go, to ride the bus with us.
Go hard. It's ride or die type shit. You feel? No homo.
Alright, guys. I think it's the time.
Y'all. So we have a meeting to attend in 3 minutes. So I will see you guys, or me and Guyver will see you guys tomorrow morning in the Telegram And tomorrow evening in live, I'm probably gonna be home late tomorrow because I got class till 4.
I got a flight to
And,
catch. I'm on
yeah,
a
flight to
tour.
catch. What are you doing? Like I'm on tour. Like what? What are you
Hey,
doing? Stop! Shut up! Shut
see you tomorrow,
up.
guys. Thank you y'all for tuning
See you
in.
tomorrow.
You know, it's really, you know, even if 9 of y'all, only 2 of y'all are speaking to us, we really appreciated it.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow, guys. Wait, let me put that again. Let me put that again.